Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today I want to talk to you about the Google Nexus smartwatch that's supposed to hit the market. Google's coming out with their own smartwatch. This ought to be nice. Now, there's some pictures, some renders leaked of how this watch is supposedly going to look. It's not guaranteed. This is not the final render. But this gives us an idea of possibly what Google is trying to put out. Now, the bigger one is being codenamed Angelfish. Now, Angelfish is supposed to be a standalone smartwatch, supposed to have GPS and LTE. The watch looks pretty good. There's no flat tire at the bottom. The smaller version of it is going to be called Swordfish, so far as the code name is concerned. It's not going to be a standalone smartwatch. It's not going to have GPS, and it's not going to have LTE. Now, these are just rumors, so who knows? The smaller one could have a GPS or maybe LTE. We don't know yet. But these are just speculations right now, rumors, but the rumors and the leaks looks pretty good. Okay, it seems pretty promising. There's a lot of information going out about Google and this Nexus smartwatch. We don't even know if it's going to be called the Google Nexus, but what I will do is keep you updated. The more information I get about Google's new smartwatch, I will bring it to you. Okay, so guys, go ahead, make sure you hit the like button, share this information with other Android Wear lovers, and if you already haven't subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. And as always guys, I will see you again at the next video. Take care.